Look at what happens when we add just 1 drop of soap. Today, we're going to do the magic milk experiment. First, we need to add some milk to a plate.
I want blue.
What color? You want blue? Okay, good. Do you want any other colors? Put green in another spot.
It's still all the colors.
Oh, okay. Just put them in different spots. So put right over here. Good, good.
Ah.
Next, we're going to dip a cotton swab into soap. One end is soap, and then touch down into the milk where there's color. Wow. You see it swirl around? Wow, look. Do it again. Hold it down again. So what happens is liquid has surface tension, and soap is composed of surfactants, which lower the surface tension. And liquids move from areas of low surface tension to areas of high surface tension. Also, the fat in the milk interacts with the surfactant molecules, and that provides extra motion. Oh, wow.
Colorful.
Colorful. Pretty cool, huh? You want to try it again? Put it in one spot. Okay. Enough, 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 enough.
Put it on it.
You put a lot in.
Red.
Red. Okay, enough. Okay, good.
I put it on it.
Okay. Which color?
Yellow.
Yellow? Put it in different spots.
Okay.
Good. Okay, I know green. Okay, good. Good. Good, Isabel. Enough. Enough. Isabel, stop. Isabel, enough.
What happened?
Okay, now press down. Wow. Try in a different place. Wow.
Again?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
You see the liquid's moving. It's moving from low surface tension to high surface tension areas. And then the soap is interacting with the fat molecules of the milk. Wow. Wow, look at this one. So colorful.
Again?
You want to do it again?
Yeah.
Put them all in different spots.
Okay.
Okay, good. Isabel, not too much. Isabel, not too much. Okay. Isabel, that's too much. Stop. Isabel, stop. Too much. Isabel, stop. Isabel, that's too much. Stop.
Too much.
Do you want other colors?
Yeah. Red.
Put it in a different spot. Isabel, put it in a different. Isabel, too much. Okay, Isabel, stop. Isabel. Yellow? Put it. Oh, no. Okay, put it over here. Isabel, over here. Enough, enough. Isabel, enough. Stop. Isabel, too much. Wow. Doesn't that look cool? Do you want to add more soap?
Yeah.
Want to use this one?
Yeah. I want to use this one.
Okay. You don't have to press down too hard. You don't have to press down hard, Isabel. Okay, that's good. This was another successful adventure from Adventure Bake Lab. Bye-bye.